much time here, so I have much time, but and this is me trying to fix this boots that I have already. I'm working on them. You can see the sole. You can see the sole here. These are the sole. Already I'm done with the top. Just trying to finish the top now. You can see the top here. You can see the boots on the top. I'm trying to cover up. I'm trying to cover up this. Okay, it's gonna be a quick kind of video. Just cover up my boots and I'll show you the end product of what we have. So don't worry, the full video, if you're in need of the full video of how I get to make these boots, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp 0903 5539 885. Now we have the boots, you know, fixed on the shoe lace. If you check inside, you have the shoe lace inside. You can see this, and this is size 40. This is for size 40. I have the size 41 of it here, but this is size 41 and 42. Right? I just made this today, all of them. All right. So it's gonna be just it's amazing, honestly. You can see the combination. This is a boot for you, and the good thing about it is boot is unisex. Of course, it's unisex. Everything about the boot is anyone can use it. You can use this with your casuals, your chinos, your jean, your baggy trousers, anything you want to use it for. Well, and the boot, the quality is top notch. It's of great quality. You can see the sole yourself. It's of great quality. The knitting, everything, the material, it's something durable. When it comes to guarantee, I can guarantee you 6 to 7 years of using this boot without you having issues with it. So this other video, I'm trying to finish up now. You see this up already. Got this down. All you have to do now is to place your gun, rub your gun, then you join them together, and you have another of these boots ready. Alright, this is size 40. This one is size 41. Okay, so you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you wish to reach out to me, you can reach out to me on 0903 5539 885. Shout out to you. This is ABC Shoes. You're welcome here. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like and engage with our videos. Go to our playlist and check the playlist of how to make shoes, how to make pumps and sandals, and all the other of my videos that you can you know try and engage and learn for yourself. Okay. If you have questions, if you are in need of the full video of how to make these boots, please you can call me or chat me up on 0903 553 9885. If you're outside Nigeria, you can add my country code +234 9035539885. Happy December to you guys. Happy New Month. Of course, it's a new month, of course, and we are glad. All right. So enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. So we have some boots. The know you're done with it. You can see. All right. So take care of yourself. Enjoy yourself. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Thank you.